You're watching FXB TV! Fuck you! Yeah!
Go.
Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Spaz from Photo by Proxy. Today, we're going to teach you how to fish. We're going to do the Boats and Bros episode. Here we go. So in today's episode, we're going to teach you properly how to fish for salmon. So I've got this super expensive, I think I maxed out my credit card on this beautiful Zebco Dock Demon rod and reel. I mean, it's got everything. It's got whatever those are called, and it's got string. And this thing that's a reel or whatever. But it's got this thing that you can hold. But typically, since I'm the fucking captain of this ship, I don't have to do anything. I got people to bait my hook, to catch my fish, and I just drive the boat. So what we're going to do today before we actually start fishing is I have this special scent that my little mate has concocted, and he's going to come over here and spray my hook so we can catch the salmon. Little mate! Okay, so I need you to spray the special scent, please.
Okay.
Oh, shit.
Sorry.
Really?
Sorry, I'm not very good at aiming.
Action.
Okay, so also with the special scent, I've got something else that I've been brewing, and it's not Corona. Hold on.
Oh, man!
That's how we catch the fish.
Ready, Marshall?
What? And pretty much fishing with me requires that. You already catch fish now?
Yeah, I'm ready to go fishing.
Oh. So, Risa. I got it. Get the net. Get the fucking. This is a big one. It's a big one. Got it. That's how you catch a salmon. That water is really cold. I mean, this fish is like frozen. Check it out.
Sashimi.
Sashimi.
So we switched beers because we're out of the Corona. But this works too. I think it's got like 2.3 carbs. That's how I keep my girlish figure so intact. So today we learned how to catch frozen fish. Sashimi. But I bet you it tastes really good. And I think we're probably going to eat it. So now what we got to do is, I think we're done fishing for the day. We're going to drive off. We're going to go dock up, or actually we're going to retrieve the boat, and we're going to call it a day. What do you think, kid? What?
I'm fresh to grab skills. I'm gonna head out.
Where are you going? No!
Perfect.
Little May, why'd you leave?
Because you suck at driving.
It's fucking wet. I'm melting. Can't drink while driving.